Thanks for joining us. I'm Amy Jo Winston. We're at Stutzmans Greenhouse. We're in Pleasant View once again with Ben. And Ben, we're here and we're ready for the season. We're all enjoying it. You've got all of our gorgeous flowers.
You got it.
But you have a dirty little secret to share with us.
You know, we chuckle about that a lot, but for us, it's a real thing. We have our own formula that we use in all of our production. So what you see our plants growing in is the same formula that we have in our own private label. So much less disease issues, good drainage. With a $50 purchase of anything, we'll get $5 off of either a 40 quart or the 2.5, the bigger bag.
And it really does make a difference. Since you do grow everything here in the greenhouses,
Correct.
and you've already used this,
Correct.
This is just a great opportunity for us to take advantage of what we've already got in our
Exactly.
pots.
You know, and the testament to that is when people come back and every year use it. What you have in your pot, you know, from a year ago, it is awesome to just dump out into your garden because it's organic matter that you're putting back into the soil with the composting of the pine bark and also the peat moss and stuff. It's excellent. Just it's not something that you throw away, but just start with some fresh material.
Okay, that's all going on here at Stutzmans. That's the dirty little secret sale. Be sure to take advantage of that. Visit one of the 12 locations nearest you or go to stutzmans.com.